revealing the surprising truth about plastic surgery, myths versus facts. Plastic surgery, is it the magical fountain of youth or a dangerous obsession? Opinions are everywhere, but with so much conflicting information, how do we separate fact from fiction? In this video, we're uncovering surprising truths, debunking long-standing myths, and empowering you with the information you need to make the right decisions. Let's dive in and get the clarity we all deserve on this transformative topic. One of the most common misconceptions is that plastic surgery is purely an act of vanity, a superficial effort to conform to beauty standards. But here's the truth: plastic surgery is so much more than that. While cosmetic enhancements like facelifts or rhinoplasties are popular, there's another equally significant side to plastic surgery called reconstructive surgery. These are life-changing procedures designed to restore functionality, improve health, and rebuild confidence after traumatic incidents. Think about burn victims regaining the ability to use their hands after surgery, or someone correcting a cleft palate to eat and speak normally. It's not just about looks, it's about living better. Even procedures like breast reconstruction after mastectomies are deeply tied to mental and physical healing. For many patients, these surgeries help reconnect with their self-image, alleviating the emotional weight of scars or injuries. It's not vanity, it's recovery, resilience, and transformation. So, the next time you hear someone dismiss plastic surgery as self-centered, remind them of the diverse and meaningful impact it can have. It's not a luxury, for many, it's a necessity that restores lives and uplifts spirits. When you think of plastic surgery, you might imagine celebrities flaunting expensive looks or picture luxury spas offering treatments at sky-high prices. But here's the catch: plastic surgery is no longer a privilege of the wealthy. With advancements in technology, many procedures today are far more affordable than they used to be. From minimally invasive options like Botox and fillers to full-scale surgical treatments, there's a spectrum of possibilities to fit various budgets. Many clinics even offer financing plans or payment options to make these transformations accessible to everyday people. And here's another surprising fact: not all plastic surgery is elective. Reconstructive surgeries for accident victims or physical abnormalities are often covered, at least in part, by insurance. This means improving your health and self-image isn't limited to those with deep pockets. It's growing increasingly inclusive. Plastic surgery is no longer confined to high-end zip codes or the pages of glossy magazines. Today's patients include teachers, office workers, small business owners, and parents, proving that the desire to feel better in your own skin doesn't discriminate based on wealth. Who doesn't want fast results? Over-the-top portrayals in movies and social media, unfortunately, create unrealistic expectations that make plastic surgery appear quick, painless, and effortless. But let's unpack that myth. The reality is that plastic surgery is a process, not a magic wand. Every procedure begins with a thorough consultation where your surgeon reviews your goals, medical history, and whether you're a good candidate. This step alone can take weeks or even longer if multiple consultations are needed. Once you undergo the procedure, the surgery itself is usually just the start. Recovery plays an essential role in this journey. Depending on the complexity, healing could take weeks or even months. Bruising, swelling, and discomfort are part of the process, especially for more invasive surgeries like tummy tucks or facelifts. It's crucial to understand that plastic surgery also comes with risks, as any medical procedure does. By choosing a qualified professional and following the recommended aftercare, you not only reduce risks but ensure more predictable and satisfying results. So, while the results may be worth it, plastic surgery is far from quick and easy. It demands patience, realistic expectations, and a commitment to prioritizing your health throughout. Now that we've addressed some of the biggest misconceptions about plastic surgery, let's reflect on why this matters. Myths and false narratives lead to stigma, judgment, and sometimes even bad decision-making. Here's why separating myth from fact is so important. Empowerment through information. The more you know about plastic surgery, the better equipped you are to make decisions that align with your personal goals and needs. For some, it might mean going ahead with a procedure that has been carefully thought through. For others, it might mean choosing alternatives after fully understanding what's involved. Removing the stigma, there's no shame in wanting to look and feel better, whether it's through surgery or otherwise. By debunking these damaging myths, we pave the way for more inclusive and empathetic conversations on this topic. Promoting safe practices. Unrealistic expectations can lead to poor choices, such as trusting unqualified practitioners or rushing into procedures without proper planning. Education ensures you address surgery with the seriousness and preparedness it requires. Plastic surgery, like any personal decision, requires careful thought and planning. Here are some key steps to ensure your path is as smooth and safe as possible. Research. From the procedure itself to the credentials of your surgeon, doing your homework is vital. Look for board-certified professionals and clinics with proven safety records. Consultations are key. Always schedule a consultation before committing to anything. This is an opportunity to ask questions, clarify doubts, and assess whether the procedure aligns with your expectations. Realistic expectations. Understand what plastic surgery can and cannot achieve. It's important to have an open discussion with your practitioner and avoid unrealistic hopes. Discuss recovery. Ensure you're fully prepared for the recovery process, both time-wise and emotionally. Have a support system in place if needed. Second opinions matter. If you feel unsure, don't hesitate to seek a second opinion. It's your body, your choice, and it's okay to take your time. Plastic surgery is deeply personal. What's right for one person may not be for another. The key is not letting myths shape your perspective. Empower yourself with reliable information, have open discussions with qualified professionals, and above all, make decisions that are right for you. Whether you're considering a cosmetic enhancement, reconstructive surgery, or simply exploring options, remember, plastic surgery is not a one-size-fits-all solution, nor should it be judged as such. It's a transformative tool that, when approached correctly, has the power to improve lives in both big and small ways. Knowledge, after all, is power. So, if you hear someone saying, plastic surgery is just for vanity, or only the rich can afford it, you'll know how to respond. Let's shift the conversation from stigma to understanding. Thanks for joining us on this journey to uncover the surprising truths about plastic surgery. Until next time, remember, your choices are yours, and they matter most when informed.